YouTube. Here we have it, our 2001 Mitsubishi Galant, and we have a problem with the timing belt, snap timing belt. So we're gonna find out. There is a couple websites saying the as soon as the timing belt snap, bend valves and stuff. In my opinion, it's not. Uh, this engine is like Honda design. Single overhead cam. Even if the timing belt snap, it won't damage anything. So this car looks like the belt get damaged on high speed on 70 miles per hour. So the car was on the highway, and I try the spin the camshaft, and looks like it's fine, and also the crankshaft is spinning normal. So in my opinion, this car it's fine, but we want to find out. Here we have our deal. There's a timing belt, water pump, and also we got the looks like it's balancer or the other belt, because this car used two different belts. One is for I think they call weights or balance, something like that. Both snap at the same time. We have our tensioners, or the bearing tensioners right here, brand new. And we have the gasket, other tensioner, and brand new water pump. Okay, so, and also there's a oil seals. Okay, so in this video we're gonna see if 2.4 single overhead cam for real get damage on the bent valves or something like that. Like I said, in my opinion, it's not, but we're gonna find out. First thing you gotta remove, that's the cover, which is here already out. Next will be the tensioner, which is located on this area right here, right there. So it's already off, and like I said, there's the waist balancer, whatever it calls, and here's the point. Later on I'm gonna mark so you guys can see where's exactly all those points. And we have to lose this bolt. The reason is because we have to install the new belt behind here, and it's not possible squeezing under of this metal right here. So I'm gonna remove this bolt, pull this off, and install the first timing belt. So the second one, I believe I have to press or compress this area so I can put something to lock down and install it back together. Alright guys, I'm gonna start removing this bolt and install the first belt, and we'll see if for sure, for real, it's any big damage on this belt, on this engine. Okay, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna spin it back, cause we got this metal right behind the crankshaft sensor, so otherwise this plate, it won't come off. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna turn it clockwise and get away from this crankshaft sensor. Alright guys, I pulled this off all the way. We got this part already off, and like you guys see here, there's a mark, so that's the timing mark, and there, right here. There you go. We had a mark right here. We had to keep turning the crankshaft all the way to here, and also the marks on this one. This is the point, and here's the mark right there. So it has to be pointed out right on the middle of the teeth. Okay. All right. Here we have it. Our first timing belt. Here's the point right here, and right on between those teeth, it'll be the other timing mark, and this timing mark. If you guys look closer, because when the timing belt snap, okay, when the timing belt snap, the mark is little, the white mark right there, it's little bended, but that's fine. We have pointed right through there. So now next step, it'll be install the plate and put this bolt on the crankshaft sensor, and then find out the other points of the actual timing belt. Alright guys, here we have our timing belt already set up, like you see here. There you go. We got our tensioner already installed. The timing belt, it's pretty tight, and we have our points right here. There you go. That's one mark, and the other one is up here, and there you go. There's the mark, and there's another mark, so it's on time. And we have one more mark. There you go. There's one up here with the sprocket. So it's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna fire the engine. I'm just gotta plug it in our crankshaft. I believe it's a crankshaft connection. Just, you know, stay away. And was ready to go, and we'll see if the 2.4 Mitsubishi galant single overhead cam with the snap timing belt, it's causing damage or any problems. What I'm doing, it's turning a little bit the crankshaft. To make sure everything is spin right, and I believe it is. There you go. So I'm gonna plug it in that wire, which is the crankshaft sensor, and we're gonna fire up the engine just to see how if the engine works. Still gotta change our water pump, but the water pump it's nothing, it's not interference or anything with the timing. So if the engine runs okay, I'm gonna take off the water pump and replace them. There we go, guys. Nothing wrong with the engine. Like I said, I'm not keeping running for a long time because I got a water pump. It's not spinning, and also I don't have my alternator working, but everything else is working normal. Alright, guys, we've installed the new timing belt. Both belts were snapped, and I'm trying to demonstrate the timing belt. Even if it's a snap on 2.4 single overhead valve, nothing happens. It won't get any damage on the engine. So there is. We're gonna install a new water pump. All covers, plastic covers right here, all the way down, the pulley and the serpentine belt, and we're ready to go. All right. So after set up timing belt, put everything working in the right spot, that's the result. The engine is still running really good. I gotta work on it. I believe I gotta weld or exhaust because I can hear it, and a couple other things, but that's not big deal. Alright, guys, here we have it, our 2001 Mitsubishi Galant. After replace the timing belt, two different timing belts. One is for waist balancer or counter. I think it's called waist balancer. And we replace our water pump, and the car started right up. It was normal, but I find out a couple of issues with misfire on fuel injector, which is here. We replace it, and now it's an idle running better. It's not shaking, the engine is normal. It's high mileage. It's 227. That's the mileage, so it's high mileage. We change the oil. Also, we have to replace the radiator caps, which is bad. But that's it. This car, it was a timing belt broken in about 65 or 60 miles on highway, and I can show here there's no problem with your valves or anything. So this engine is not interference engine. So if you have problems like 2.4. If your timing belt snapped, you can just replace it, put brand new, and then your car is still running again. Okay. Here we have our scanner, and that's the numbers. I got my short term oscillate on minus 0.8 and going upper like 0.8, so this number is good. We have our long trim, which is 2.3. It's a good number. And the main thing right here, we have our oxygen sensor. The upstream oxygen sensor, it's oscillate on good numbers too. See that? It's going up and down. It has to be 0.1 volt to 900, so less than a volt, and it oscillate normal. This one up here, this one down here, it'll be the oxygen sensor downstream, and this numbers means the catalytic converter is doing a really good job. Okay, so this car it'll be allow me to pass California smog without a problem. So that means I can show here valves are not bent or any big problem, even if this car it's high mileage, still doing okay. So I think that's it from me. Like I said, no interference engine on 2.4 Mitsubishi Galant, still running again. Thanks for watching.